1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 10 Calc commandments. It's the 10 Calc commandments. Number 1, the lesson. Limits, graphs, and action. If indeterminate, L'Hopital satisfaction. Number 2, tangent lines, delta x derivative. Use power rule to keep your answer finitive. Number 3, implicit differentiate. dy dx, or prepare to get a bad grade. Like related rates, variables and groups, formulas with pi and some with roots. Number 4, calculate local max and min. Find critical points, that's where the information's in. Put them on a line, assess the possibilities, graph it with a calculator if you're having difficulty. 5, learning integrals is not easy. Write your answer down and add plus c. Number 6, integrals turning definite. Find the deficit. Fundamental theorem, you'll need it. 7, second semester, Riemann sums, adding from the left to right when you find the area slower. Number 8, you're not done, gotta integrate. ln and base e, try to keep them all straight. Concavity, f double prime.
Can we agree plus is up ahead of time? But when it's minus, point fingers down, right?
Use fingers? We could also just write.
Hang on, what about the time Qayumi showed us the revolta?
Okay, so we're using this. Number 9, line piece of paper from the binder. Only take out 2 if you require, then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10, problem start. How does a COVID teenager student in need of a tutor somehow pull a 5 AP Calc maneuver? How do we complete Calc in its entire? Leave the testing site feeling that it's time to retire. Yo, turns out we have a secret weapon, a math teacher you know and love who's unafraid to step in. He's constantly assigning, stretching brains to their limits. Everyone knows the man who teaches AP Calculus is
Mr. Q!
He's taking this class by the reins, grading papers covered in tears, saying
Mr. Q!
And he's never gonna stall until we know it all, cram it in and train our brains. Mr. Q! Keeps engaging them, quizzing them, and raging them. He's
Mr. Q!
He gives the class for more tests.
Mr. Q!
He comes to grade more
Count and shit.
and so their grades will shift. We study hard with study groups, hope our grades will lift. We can stop all this work right now, end the class with a C, but for us to succeed, a 5 on the test we need, I know. AP Calc,
QC knows a 5 gets his credit in college with no need to retake it. I mean,
AP Calc,
you're gonna have to ask him eventually what's an inverse derivative. I mean,
AP Calc,
no one has more experience or matches our integral calculus brilliance.
AP Calc,
You want a 5 in that exam?
AP Calc.
Take it, MQ's practice exam. Number 2, pencil band. You know you gotta take that AP exam. I mean, you'll never have to study harder. I mean, the sooner the better to get an AP 5 back.
It would be nice to maybe be getting a 5. It would be nice to maybe be getting a 5. Every problem leaves us tired, looking rather solemn. Thanks to Mr. Q, our class will want the satisfaction. Try not to slack despite the stress, we're breaking down the fractions. We help each other with the stress, we don't take no distractions. I check the calculation, investing in my solution. The way I add and write and derivate in a fast fashion. Our hardest concepts, the washers formed by revolution. College board robs us blind in search of facts to mash in. The board is asking to integrate and derivate. Something about this last year will help us pass, now we can at last unwrap it. I'll pull the multiple choice aside and start the free response. While we were all working, we lost that look of nonchalance. It would be nice to maybe be getting a 5. It would be nice to maybe be getting a 5. Look back at the FRQs, which we wrote. The ink hasn't dried. It would be nice to maybe be getting a 5. So the booklets have all been collected. Wasn't the trouble with much of our AP Calculus tests?
Getting no rest.
Strive for the best. Into our dreams we will manifest. Actualizing college credit and making American college competitive. If we don't pass it, we have to retake it. I will not be fine. Somebody has to come down for the summer. Somebody has to not be a bummer. If there's something you're worried about, you need somewhere to put all your doubts. When I miss summer, I am complicit in waiting for a squirrel to release and kicking it.
If the projects don't count, then academic assessments, this is the final. Now school is out!
Oh, the student's going to run under a hose. Oh, the student's forgetting all test woes. Oh, let's show these students how to have fun again. Oh, summer, partying hard with Madeline. Oh, go listen to music and dance it all out. Oh, maybe you need something to think about. Oh, if we forget the scores, we can have one last day of fun under the sun. The scores are now released. It would be nice. It would be nice.
Open the site and see where to go.
It would be nice. It would be nice. We're all pacing to and fro. We don't have to explain. We won't be in pain. Still, it would be nice. It would be nice to maybe be getting a 5.